Welcome back. Today I'm playing SWAT in Roblox. I've played this game before.
Placing charge. Placing charge.
You have to go down here.
Placing charge. Fire in the hole! Squad leaders! What do we do? Placing charge. Fire in the hole!
Guy check. Okay. But they're so blind. That was easy, guys. Okay. How about this place?
Placing charge. Fire in the hole!
FBI, open up! You don't know how to shoot, that's the point. Okay, shoot, that's the point.
Placing charge.
Holy crap, bro. This place is a charge.
Fire in the hole! Placing charge. Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Loading!
Bro, do you guys just saw his eyes? Those two X's, aka means rip. I just saw somebody over there. I'm gonna go to the other side.
Get down! Get down!
Okay, I'm gonna open this way. I'm gonna open the video. Oh crap, bro! I think it's on. There's two. I'm playing with you right now. Are you gonna shoot? Yes or no? You guys see him? Like, why am I running like that? One time I was the boss. Where I died and I wasn't the boss anymore. Oh, I was just one right there. I was my teammate. There's a helicopter. What is this?
Go, go, go! Move it!
My least favorite part is being with the coach. Bro, look at his face. He got no face. Like, he's always angry, bro. That's why I don't like doing my workouts. This is my most favorite part of the day. But if you mess up, you have to restart. Like this. See? It's so hard. One time I did that. Alright, walk on the line, walk on the line. Let's go. I just saw the coach. The coach is somewhere there, but okay. And you still have to go. Wait, was he stepping on the line? There's a coach, bro. Oh god, I have to do something real quick. Okay, guys, I'm doing my thing. Oh. Oh, this one right there. Headshot. Headshot doesn't dead. Oh, I hate climbing up these stupid staircases. Oh, if you fall down, you have to, bro. You saw him; he just fall down, and they're so easy to make you to fall down. See, they're so easy so you can fall down. Like there's no room. Oh, wrong way. Bro, why do they keep on falling, bro? I bet I'm gonna fall. Oh my god. Oh my god. I already did too much of that. And I'm not gonna do anything. These guys are like it. Oh my god, bro. If you get too close to them, they will seriously like beat you up and you have to go back. See? Look, I go over here and I have to go back.
Go, move it! Need some backup now. Roger that. Clear. Get down! Status. Go, move it! Everyone, form on me.
I'll follow you. Oh, this is you're awesome.
Go, move it!
Every single time I come here, I gotta see something.
Need some backup now.
What's happening? Oh.
Everyone, form on me.
What's that arrow on me? Right?
I love dogs and cookies.
Need some backup now.
That's just so weird. You have to tap on it.
Roger that. Need some backup.
What is that? Oh, that's our workplace.
Go,
And
move it.
and that was the place that was
Status.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, finally. Oh, this place is so hard. That's a church right there, bro. Bro, I gotta reset my character again. This always happens. Yeah, it was her with a knife and a fork. And she like got ready to like eat her dog. Bro, and I'm not. Too easy. Headshot. You're also stupid.
Placing charge.
See, that's what I'm talking about.
Fire in the hole. What do we do?
What do you mean?
But I think I can tell you about
back. You don't know that I'm a second. Headshot. Oh, I forgot there's people over there.
Running toward them! Squad leader!
Isn't there like a light switch somewhere?
Go, go, go! Move it! Squad leader! Placing charge. Fire in the hole! Data charge. Fire in the hole! Clear.
It looks like this guy's a prisoner. That is how he's wearing that.
Clear. Get down! Get down! Clear.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And we're going to give it a peace and make sure to subscribe.